Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! Our yummy recipe for today is Inatata. Inatata is a unique rice delicacy from Santo Tomas, Isabela, made from glutinous rice, cream with coconut milk, sugar, and salt. Wrap with the banana leaves in smaller size compared with other suman. And usually sell in the market tied with a string because Inatata is a Ibanag word for bala or bullets, like a magazine of bullets. And the original flavor of this delicacy, it has only coconut curd. My recipe, I added crushed peanuts, sweetened with Muscovado Sugar, with, of course, coconut curd. Let's start by preparing the ingredients. The glutinous rice, wash for several times in water until the water clear. Then soak in 30 minutes.
After 30 minutes.
After 30 minutes, when every grain of the glutinous rice is breakable, then we can proceed to the next steps. The ingredients are the prepared glutinous rice, the coconut milk, brown sugar, and salt. The banana leaves, thawed and heated, the coconut cream, the peanuts and the Muscovado sugar, and the straw string. In a pan, pour the coconut milk and allow to simmer. When it's starting to simmer, add the brown sugar, stir to dissolve the sugar. Then add the salt and stir again. When the coconut milk is simmering, add the prepared glutinous rice. Keep on mixing the glutinous rice with coconut milk until the liquid of coconut milk evaporates. When it's already evaporated, cover with banana leaves, cook in 30 minutes.
After 30 minutes.
After 30 minutes, check and cover again with the banana leaves and set aside to cool down or to warm before wrapping in banana leaves. While waiting to cool down, crush the peanuts with a food processor and to a handheld crusher like I'm using. You can also use mortar and pestle that we usually use in the kitchen, and then add the Muscovado sugar. Now the glutinous rice is already cooled down. Transfer in a container while making coconut curd. In a bigger pan, pour the coconut cream for making coconut curd or latik. I only use 1 can of coconut cream. Regularly mix the coconut cream to prevent burns on one area, but not overmix like the fresh kakang gata or coconut cream. I'm using the canned cream. When it's already done, the coconut curd, remove some coconut oil in the pan. Then add the sweetened crushed peanuts. Mix well the coconut curd and sweetened peanuts. Then add the cooked glutinous rice. Combine well the cooked glutinous rice and the coconut curd with sweetened peanuts. Clean the heated banana leaves before putting the glutinous rice mixtures. No need to add oil. Scoop 1 tablespoon of the mixture, then wrap with banana leaves. Please watch how I wrap the inatata. Then wrap with banana leaves all the cooked mixtures of inatata. Let the first wrap inatata be your guide so there will be the same sizes. Here's the wrap inatata. Let's prepare the steamer. Pour water in a pot and allow to boil. I already tied some inatata. Please watch how I tie with a straw string the rest of the inatata. I make 5 pieces in a set. Usually, the way of putting inatata in a steamer is standing. Since my steamer is small, so I put laying down. Now the water in the steamer is boiling. Let's steam the inatata. Cook for 30 to 45 minutes up to an hour. Here's the cooked inatata with sweetened peanuts. You can also add cheese without the coconut curd or flavored with pandan. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time. Bye!